Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the video where we talked about the European Union and the United States before continuing. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is the European Union made up of 50 countries? No. The European Union is made up of 27 countries. Is the United States part of the European Union? No, the United States is not part of the European Union. Do the US and the EU always agree on trade policies? No, they sometimes disagree on trade policies. Is NATO an organization where both the EU and US cooperate? Yes, both the EU and the US cooperate in NATO. Is the relationship between the EU and the US always peaceful with no rivalry? No, they sometimes compete economically. Do the EU and the US face common challenges like climate change? Yes, they both deal with common global challenges. Was the European Union created after World War II? Yes, it was created to promote peace and cooperation after World War II. Does the US rely on the EU for global trade and diplomacy? Yes, the US relies on strong relationships with the EU for trade and diplomacy. Do the EU and US share cultural traditions and values? Yes, they share many democratic and cultural values. Is the cooperation between the EU and the US unimportant to world politics? No. It is very important to world politics and global stability. Don't forget to watch the video several times to improve your understanding and pronunciation. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next video in this wonderful series about learning English and US culture. See you in the next adventure.